sweet people, welcome back to my channel. This is vlog 004, the fourth vlog of 45 vlog series till 2022 starts. So today, this video is not for everyone, but like this is a helpful video because I told that I'll be doing a video teaching about how to do double crochet and half double crochet, because in the other videos while making the other things I haven't really taught you all how to do it, because I teach the basic stitch before, like it was my first video. So today I'm going to be doing like today's video is about how to do double crochet and half double crochet stitches. Let's go for it. So what you'll be needing for today's video is yarn, crochet needle, a scissor. That's it. So to start crocheting as same as in everything, we are going to do a slip stitch. So this is going to be crossed. We are going to pull this out for this step. And you all know how to do slip knot, right? I'll do it in easy. I just don't want to leave too much, that's why I bit of taking time. Okay, that. Put the crochet needle to the slip knot and pull it. And now you can do a chain, like maybe a chain of 8. But you all know how to do chaining, right? Like yarn over, pull out, yarn up, pull out. I did 3 already. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do 10, 9, 10. That's it. As we are doing double crochet, we need one more extra chain. That the row is completed. Now yarn over and put the needle to the chain, not the one after, the one after that. Like we are in the last chain now. We should put the needle to the one before the one which is before the last one. So leave one and put the needle to the one before that one, and yarn over, pull up. Now there are 3 yarn overs in the crochet needle, as you all can see. So yarn over again and pull it out through 2 yarn overs in the crochet needle. Now 2 will be remaining in the crochet needle. Now again yarn over and pull out through those 2. Then this will be one double crochet. Again let's repeat. Yarn over, put through this, yarn over, pull out. Now there's 3 in the needle. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over, put through the next chain, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull out through 2, yarn over, pull out through 2. That will be 3 double crochets. So the results of a row of double crochet will look like this. I'll end this row and show how it will look like. This is what a row of double crochet looks like. It looks like a caterpillar. Now I'm going to finish with the last one. Again yarn over, put through the wait stay, yarn over, pull out through that, yarn over, pull out through 2, yarn over, pull out through 2. Now this row is over. What we are going to do is, as this is double crochet, to start over the next row we have to do another chain. Do another chain. Okay, do another chain and turn the work around to do the next row, and you can continue like that, and at the end do a knot and finish as usual. So I thought maybe as we did double crochet, I'll teach you how to do half double crochet as well today. So I'll do the next row with half double crochet. Half double crochet is like as same as double crochet, just half of it. Let's start. So even to start that, we are going to chain a row and do one extra as it's half double crochet. And now we are going to start with that. Okay, we are going to yarn over, put through the chain, not the one right after the one we are in, not this one. We are going to put it to this one. Okay, leave one and put to the next. Put to this yarn over, pull out. Now there's 3 yarn overs as same as in double crochet. What we are going to do is yarn over and pull out through all 3 at once, not twice like in double crochet. So like this is like half of double crochet, that's why it's called half double crochet. I'll show again. What we are going to do is yarn over, put through the next chain, yarn over, pull out through all 3. Okay, yarn over, put through this, yarn over, pull out through all 3 of this. So this is how, I don't know, it's not sure. So when we are ending half double crochet as well, what we are going to do is, so I'm in the last one now, put through the last one, yarn over, pull out through all 3, do one more extra chain and turn it around, and continue the next row by yarning over, putting through this yarn over and crochet it. And it will result to something like this. This is what it looks like when we do full, yeah, this is full double, half double crochet, not double crochet. How it looks, yeah, this is what half double crochet looks like. Well, I think I have a double crochet one as well. I'll show you all that way. This is what double crochet looks like. This is actual top. I have folded it. This is a custom order. I actually have the tutorial for this as well. I will maybe add the link to that down below in the description or in the top right corner. I still don't know which side will be that. So anyway, this is what it's gonna look like when we do half double crochet. As you all can see, like one's going up, one's going down, one's going up. This is good for like cardigans, cuff edges, like that, I know. So anyhow, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you all have any questions, you all can drop me a message through Instagram to my personal account, my craft store, or my design page, and you all can either drop it down in the comment section, And if you all ever try it out and you all are posting it in Instagram, don't forget to tag me, because I would love to see those. And don't forget to follow my personal Instagram account, my design page and my craft page. All the accounts are in Instagram. And if you all haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe too and leave a like if you all like the video. And that's it. Hope to see you all tomorrow with another vlog. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.